Hello everyone. Today I'll be making eggplant and potato baaji, bengan and aloo. I took purple eggplants. I had like two types. One is round shape and the one is a long one. I think this is a Japanese eggplant. So for this I took 4 medium onions and 4 medium tomatoes. Now I will cut the eggplant and potato and put it in the water. Then I will start cutting other veggies. I cut the eggplant and I add it in the water right away. If you don't add it in the water, it's going to turn into black or brown. So same as the potatoes also. After cutting, you put it in the water right away. Otherwise, they will turn brown or black. Potatoes are cut and put it in the water. Now next I'm going to cut onion and tomatoes. Onion is cut and ready. Now I'm going to add the oil. You can add 2 teaspoon or 3 teaspoon of oil. If you want more, you can add. If you want less oil, you can adjust it. Once the oil is hot, add some jeera, cumin seeds. Jeera starts fluttering. Add some asafoetida hing, half a teaspoon. Now add the chopped onion. So it's been 2 minutes since I added the onion. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Now I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Let it cook for another minute. Keep the flame to slow to medium. Now I will start adding the dry spices before adding in the tomato. Half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. If you want less chili powder, you can add it less, or if you want more, you can add more. Then half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. These are the spice I added. Now mix it well. Don't let it burn. Just keep on mixing it. Now I will add the tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. Mix well. Cover the lid and cook for 5 minutes. So the tomatoes are slightly mushy. Now at this stage, I will add the potatoes first because eggplant doesn't need much time to cook. So I will add the potatoes first. Do remember when you're cooking this dish, try to cook in the non-stick pan or any other pan which doesn't stick it to the bottom, because I won't be adding any water. If you're cooking in the aluminum dish or steel, if you think you need some water, you can add a little bit, but when you cover the lid, there is a steam falls to the veggie from the cover lid, so that water is more than enough. So I will cover now and cook for at least the potatoes are half done. Then I will add the eggplant. Between these potatoes cooking process, just remove the lid 2-3 times and keep stirring, mixing it so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Cover it back again. So the potatoes are half cooked now. To check, just use the wooden spoon, just break it in half. So as you see, they are half cooked. At this stage, I will add the eggplants. Just use the hand. So I have a lot of eggplants. If you have less eggplant, you can adjust all the spices according to that. You can use maybe 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, but I had like a lot of eggplants, so I added 4 onions and tomatoes. Mix well. These are now gonna cook faster because, as I said, eggplant doesn't take long time to cook. Just add some more salt. I added only half a teaspoon of salt earlier when the onion was cooking. Now I'm going to add little more than a half teaspoon. You can adjust once you check. Now mix well. Cover the lid and let it cook for now some time. So the eggplant and potato is perfectly done. As you see, there is no water left. So this is perfect for the veggie. Now at last I'm going to add freshly chopped coriander. You can turn off the flame right away after adding the coriander leaves. Just mix it well. Check the salt. If you need more, you can add it more. So do try it. This will go very well with roti. There you go. This is the final look of the eggplant and potato.